Is there a selfie gadget that can take unique pictures to all? That is small enough to fit in your pocket? And that can make you look cool anywhere, anytime? The answer is Dobby. Connect it to your phone with an app and say, Dobby Go. It will take off automatically and hovers in the air. Control the device by gestures. It can adjust to any angles you want and take satisfying, cute selfies. Of course, you can choose different takeoff modes. To take off manually, wait for 3 seconds and Dobby will levitate and hover in the air to record your cool moves. That's awesome! Time delay function and burst mode can be turned on at the same time. Choose the number of pictures you want, click the shoot button and wait for the countdown. Even if you are up in the air, Dobby could catch your wonderful moments. Photos are synchronized to your phone real-timely and can be shared to your friends immediately. And for advanced users, you can order Dobby to make a 360-degree spin with just one click. Face tracking, user following. Look at how smart Dobby is. Your fun of taking selfies will never be compromised by spending too much time on controlling the device. It has magic modes for taking 10-second short videos. With a simple click, Dobby can lift itself up automatically to have a bird's eye shot. This is so great! And with digital image stability function, your video won't shake even when Dobby is flying. Oh, one more thing. Dobby is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Thanks to the sonar and optical flow techniques, Dobby can hover to the exact indoor spots you want it to. Are you interested? Say goodbye to your selfie sticks. Let's Dobby!